Hi everybody, my name is Sangeeta. I'm an educator in Dubai. First time I met Guruji was in 2010, I guess. So that was just randomly on Facebook. I met him, and then it all started from over there. So it's been around 11 to 12 years now, approximately 11 to 12 years since the time I met him. Actually, first of all, I was not believing in astrology or anything, but Guruji was the one who made me believe in that by predicting so many things about me, about my family. So there have been lot of changes and lot of support from him, lot of guidance he has given me. I told you as 11 to 12 years, so I have lot of things to talk about. So I will try to take all my experience within this video. So first it was I was always depressed, or I was getting very sad for even small things, or I was not finding any way. So in the beginning, as a student, that time I was in college when I met him. So junior college that time I was in. So I just wanted to ask him regarding studies only. So he used to give me like moral support. He used to give me a lot of mantras to recite and some prayers so that I can concentrate well or memorize things. So it all started from there. Then it all came to my friends. My friends also started asking me, you follow someone who is that, we have some problems at home. So my friends also started following Guruji. We used to call that time on Skype. Then it was my friend, then my friend's sister, my friend's friends. Then everybody wanted to talk to him because they had one or the other problem, and I used to recommend them that Guruji is the one who can solve your problem. So one thing out of that I can say that my friend's dad was very sick. So they wanted to speak to Guruji and ask regarding his illness, his when will he improve and all that. So when they met Guruji, and just by date of birth and name, Guruji, just the entire thing he told about the past, he predicted about the future that that person is not going to be there for more time, and so many things he told that they were completely surprised to see that thing, and really that thing happened also. And later about other friend, they wanted to ask about the marriage and all that, but there were so many problems during the marriage. Then I referred Guruji. Then after meeting Guruji, it was completely hassle free. All the problems were solved, and he also told about the which month, which year it would be very auspicious to get married to them. So, and which kundali and all should be matching. Everything was done by him. So it was really a great experience for them. And in my life, yes, I have a lot of great experiences in my entire family. Actually, I have never met Guruji till now. It is all online only, but it is like we know them since long time, and it is like he's a family member. So we don't feel like he's somewhere far, we don't know, he's unknown stranger, nothing like that. It is completely a family member, a guide, a mentor. So a very friendly person he is. So it has helped us a lot in that way. Like even during like our birthdays also come in the same month and date. So it is I feel very lucky that we met, and he made me realize that yes, I am very lucky to have a contact with Guruji, because for my sister's marriage also there were so many problems. So I used to just ask him that why. Then she told that she is manglik, or she needs to do some puja. And then we went there, we did that, and he told one more thing which was very very correct. He told that has she gone through any of the surgeries till now? And we said no, not yet. Then he said yes, she will be going through any of the a minor surgery, and then only there will be a marriage for her. So we realized that when he told, and within next month only she got just without any reason, there was a small hole over here, over the ear, and then there was a pus, and then doctor said that we need to do a surgery for a very small thing. And once that surgery was done, within 1 month only her marriage was fixed. So this was the perfect prediction by Guruji that after surgery only, or this thing is going to happen. He told it in a advance only. So that was a very correct prediction, I can say. And also in my life also, I'm here in Dubai. So while when I came to Dubai, so when my first job was, I joined my first job. That time there were some problems. So I was just calling Guruji and I was asking that I'm not interested in this or there are some problems in this. So he told no problem. Just you are going to get a new job and that is going to be very good thing for you, and you are going to stick there only for a long time because that's the best for you, and so many things he told. So I tried a lot of places. 1 year I was just trying for a job over here on visit visa, and then I couldn't get. But always he was supporting me that no, you have this time to this time is perfect for you, so just have some patience and wait for that, and do some like mantra. So he gave me lots of mantra. With that I was able to motivate myself. I was patiently trying all the sorts which I can do. That after doing that, next I got a job, and then till now I'm just working at the same place and I'm working very happily over that. And also maybe soon we will have a very big institute. So that is something supported by Guruji. And other thing is that after my sister got married, it's been like 4 years, and now they were planning for family, but there was some of the other problems always. So I told them just check with Guruji. They spoke to Guruji, and there they came to know that at the home where they are staying, so that is at their in-laws place, so her father-in-law is not there anymore. So he told that because of that only, that there is some pitru dosh. So unless and until they will be in that home, so there won't be any child, or any your sister won't be able to get pregnant or anything. So they have to leave that home, and he told some remedies to do that. Then after that, they immediately vacated the house. They shifted to my parents' house. Then after going there, within 1 month only, she got pregnant, and we were so happy that he predicted such a great thing, and it was so happy for all of us. And now the child is still 2.5 years. We are so happy for that, and Guruji's prediction has always been very perfect for us, and we followed whatever he said perfectly. So if you follow Guruji and if you follow what he says, if you believe in that, then there won't be any hassles in life, and it would be very smooth. Whatever you are going to do, that work will be going to be very smoothly. Also, I would like to add one more his prediction, where he told about one of my friends. So just my friend also was facing some problem, financial and other family problems. So I told her, just why don't you talk to Guruji? But she was like hesitant to talk. Then I just spoke to Guruji, and I gave the date of birth as usual and name, and he just told entire things based on that. And just I repeated the same thing to my friend. So Guruji predicted the future which has not yet happened. So he said that there is going to be an abortion for my friend, and just I told this to my friend. So my friend said, no, nothing like that, this is not at all true. So I'm not going to have anything like that, she said. And after 2 or 3 months, she called me and said this thing had happened. So already Guruji predicted this 2-3 months before when I spoke to him. And after that, she called me and she spoke that I need your help. This thing had happened as he predicted. It is exactly same thing happened. What should I do now? So he said, then again we went to Guruji, we spoke to Guruji, and Guruji said, nothing, just you have to do some remedies, and this thing is going to, this is the phase of life, so you need to face, this is going to happen. So some things are there that we can't control, and some we can control through some remedies. So he anyhow managed to just speak to us, and he just told all these things. So that was also very surprising for her, that he completely predicted good things or bad things or whatever is going to happen. So he's very accurate, I can say. He's accurate in his predictions. There was no, nothing like error or nothing wrong or here or 99 or 99.1, nothing like it was 101%. I can say it was absolutely correct. And even though when I just came here in Dubai in 2017, so that time also like there were some problems. So I got my visit visa and all that, but somehow the other thing was lagging always. Then I asked Guruji. Then he told me some remedies to do. I did that, and within 2 months, I was here. So there are lots of things which happen in my life and in my friend's life or my relatives' life, which was like corrected. There were some problems which were corrected by Guruji. There were lots of predictions. So it is completely, I just can't express how much we owe him for his help. So he has been very helpful in our life, in my life, and through me, my entire family. Even though nobody has seen, but we all respect him, and we have only one Guruji, and that is Dr. Kailash Prasad Shah. So we respect him, we owe him a lot, and we don't know how to. I don't have words to express that much. We are satisfied by his services, by his prayers, by his blessings. So he is very, very friendly person, first of all, so that we can easily just say whatever we can just go through our feelings, whatever we feel like we can tell him. So even now some of my colleagues are also waiting to speak to him. So now let's see. We are working together. That time I told Guruji, why can't I take my auntie also, because she is also going through the same problem.
Actually, I was born in Hindu family. So in 90, I got married with a Christian person. So I went in a Christian religion and I started. What I said, I leave everything. Then I was very much praying in Jesus. So after some time, my dad's sister, she told me, why you are in 2004, I lost my husband. Then I started, my dad's sister, she told me, just pray for Baba. So from then onwards, I started praying. And I came here in a helpless condition in Dubai. Then I got this job, and I met her in 2017.
Then at the age of 50
years.
In 1 week, she got a job. She joined here, and still we are here. And through her only, I joined here. So during COVID, we both were like depressed or very negative or very completely out of energy. So I told Guruji, I want my auntie also to attend the meeting. Then she attended the meeting.
On that day, I was Guruji is telling that just close your eyes and pray. Then when I opened the eyes, literally I experienced the God presence. So in front of me, there is no Guruji. Only in Shirdi, Sai Baba standing position is there, no? Same like that I saw. So really, I'm happy to experience that feeling. So thank you, Guruji. Thank you very much. After that, my son got promotion as a manager. Then he's planning to go abroad, and he's planning to buy one new house. But everything, whatever that day I decided, whatever I will do, only with the permission, with the prayer of Guruji.
After experiencing that spiritual healing, she decided that whatever she will be taking steps, so first thing she is going to take or share with Guruji only, and then only she will step forward. So now for her, when I attended Guruji's spiritual healing, so when I attended Guruji's spiritual healing, that time there were some other people also with me, and all were from different religions. So that was a very good thing that Guruji is giving chance to, even whether you are from Islam or whether you follow Christianity or whether you follow Hindu or whatever, there is no religion basis. Everything is based on like he is doing on humanity. So that was very good thing I felt. And also Guruji's wife Guruma is very, very sweet. she also like always very positive. So even though I don't feel like I have never met him, or they are very far away, or they are, I don't know who they are, very strangers or nothing like that. It is like just simply a family, we know them. Whatever it is, just I will share everything. Whether he listens or he doesn't listen, I feel like okay, I'll share. But till now I have never seen Guruji saying anything. There is no word like no and oh no. He has never said that word till now. For everything I always bring my friends, my relatives, everything. Just he will say okay, okay, I will do this, okay, I'll do that. So he's always ready for help. He's very friendly, very helpful, and perfect at predictions. And that to future prediction means it is really great thing. I have met many tarot readers or this or that, just I was trying one or the other. Nobody was able to do that perfectly, or there were some or the other problems. Only Guruji is the best. Those who are watching this video and those who are going through lots of problems, just my one message is just simply speak to Guruji. Keep your heart very strong. Just have trust on him. Once you just give your date of birth, name, and just it's all done. Guruji will tell you all things about your past, about he will also predict about your future. Also he will give lots of remedies to solve your problems. And the only thing is just you have to follow him as he said, and then all your problems are solved, and you will be able to reach the milestone, or you will be able to complete your aim. So this is what I suggest all my friends also. Just I recommend Guruji, because he can do in whatever way, in whoever that person is. He won't ask anything about them, or he won't he's never asking for he's like any favors or any. He's not at all greedy, I can say, because I have seen that first you pay money, and then some astrologer, what happened, that we just someone, my auntie, she met, she just found someone, and she told me okay, let's talk to them. Actually I found, and I told okay, let's try numerology or something. Online we saw them, and just they said okay, you need everything. They were saying it was the same prediction for everyone, and that was completely unacceptable. And he told that you need to pay 12,000 dirhams or this much and that much. And so it was completely that day onwards. She told me, I only want to speak to Guruji, nobody else. That's it. People who are listening is, whatever problems you have, whatever solutions you want, or you want to reach your aim, your goal you want to complete, just go to Guruji, have faith in God, just believe him, trust him, give your date of birth and everything, and your problems will be solved. That's it, I can say, because I have great experiences, huge experience since last 12 years, and lots of so many things are there. I don't know how much I have to say. Lots of things are there. 12 years since, it's a great time. My special message for Guruji will be, Guruji, you are one of the greatest person. You are the best astrologer, and you are very helpful. You are very kind. You are very friendly. You are my mentor. You are my guide. You have helped me so much. You have helped through me. Lots of people he has helped. So I would like to say, please keep on doing the great work which you are doing. We all love you. Always bless us. Always we think about you whenever there is problems. So that means you know how much we love you, how much we just follow you. So you are doing great job. Keep it up. Just as you are helping everybody, just keep on doing that.